Are you ready to create a visually appealing zine? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a stunning and professional looking zine template using Adobe InDesign. Don't forget to subscribe to Envato Tuts Plus for more free courses and tutorials. I'm Ashlee Harrell, and in this tutorial, you will learn how to create a zine template in Adobe InDesign. This smaller format magazine template is the perfect place to showcase your creative work or present written content like poems or stories in a fun way. Before we begin, make sure you check out Envato Elements. Get unlimited downloads of design assets, templates, and images like the one used in this tutorial. Subscribe now with the link in the description. The first thing you want to do is go to File, New, Document, and select the Print tab and click on A5 for the preset. And here we're going to change our pages to 12 and make sure facing pages is checked. Change your top margin and outside margin to 19 and your bottom margin to 21. For the inside, we will change it to 25. And for the bleed, make sure you change it to 5 millimeters, except for the inside edge. We will keep that at 0. Now expand the Layers panel and double-click on Layer 1. We will rename this Marble. Create another layer and name it Frames. For the next one, name it Photos. And for the last layer, name it Text. The first 2 pages of the zine won't feature page numbers, so select number 1 and click on Numbering and Section Options. Select Start Page Numbering at 1 and click OK. Now select on our original first page and go to Numbering and Section Options. And then from here, we're going to change the style to the Roman numerals. Now the first 2 pages of the document will be listed as Roman numeral 1 and Roman numeral 2. Now lock all of your layers except the text layer. Use the Type tool to create a small text frame across the bottom of the left-hand page of the parent page, and head to Type, insert Special Character, Markers, Current Page Number. Highlight the text, change the size to 12, and align it to the center. Now edit, copy, and paste this same text frame onto the right side page. Right-click on the non-master icon at the top of the Pages panel and choose Apply Master to Pages. Type Roman numeral 1 and Roman numeral 2 into the 2 pages text box and click OK. Now lock the text layer and unlock the marble layer. Use the rectangle frame tool to create an image frame across the entire page. Now go to File Place and navigate to the marble ink backgrounds you downloaded earlier. Choose one of the images and open it. Now adjust your image so that it fits within the frame. Now lock the marble layer and unlock the frames layer. Switch to the rectangle tool and create a tall spine shape across the left edge of the cover and set the fill to black. Now lock the frames layer and unlock the text layer. Use the Type tool to create a text frame across the page, typing in the title and author of your zine. Align your font to the center, and for this example, I will be using the font Lumber, size 108. and adjust the font color of the zine to paper in the swatches panel. Create a smaller text frame by typing in a subtitle. Transform this text and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Position the frame along the left edge of the page close to the black spine. Now I'm going to show you how to add text and marble to the pages of your zine. Scroll down to the first facing spread of your document. Working on the text layer, use the Type tool to create a large text frame across page 1. Change your font and the size. Also change the leading to about 37. And make sure you click on Align Towards Spine. Go up to Type, fill with placeholder text. Now uncheck your marble layer and add a marble image on the opposite facing page. And again, adjust your image so that it fits within the frame. On the next spread down, pages 2 and 3, add a different marble background across the whole spread. We will do the same for pages 4 and 5 as well. Now select the marble image on pages 4 and 5 and edit Copy. Scroll down to the next spread and on pages 6 and 7 and edit Paste in Place. Pull back the left and right edges of the image frame so that the marble just sits in the center gutter of the spread. Now create a new text frame on page 6. Set your font, your size, and your leading. And make sure you click on Align Towards Spine. And fill it with placeholder text. Now click on the small square symbol at the bottom right of the text frame to pick up the text and click on the right-hand page to drop this into a new threaded text frame. And you can continue to fill your frames with placeholder text. Now add a marble image across the facing page on page 9. And continue to adjust your image so that it fits your frame. Now go back up to your cover and edit copy the marble image and black spine and paste it to the back cover. Now I'm going to show you how to add Polaroid-style images to your zine. Use the rectangle tool to create a shape in the center of the page and set the fill to paper. Now go back over to your layers panel and unlock the photos layer. And use your rectangle frame tool to create an image frame over the top of this, allowing a small amount of white space below it. File, place, and drop in a photo of your choice. Add a caption below the image on the text layer. Set your font size to 11, center it, and make sure it's all caps. Now you can use this first Polaroid as a template for populating the rest of your zine with images. Select and copy the white frame photo and caption from the frame's photos and text layers, and paste onto other pages where you have a marble background. Now, when your zine is finished, you can export it to a PDF format ready for printing. Go to File, Export, choose Adobe PDF Print from the Format menu, and make sure you click Save. In the Export Adobe PDF window, make sure you choose Press Quality from the Preset menu at the top. Make sure that Pages is selected. Click on Marks and Bleeds in the Windows left-hand menu, and use Document Bleed settings before clicking Export. Awesome work! You can send this PDF straight off to be printed. And that's how you make a zine template in Adobe InDesign. So if you like this video and you would like to see more, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to click that little bell icon to be notified of any new videos. I'm Ashlee Harrell. Thanks for watching.